Hello students, hope everybody is doing fine. Now welcome you back to my SPW class. Okay, now what are we going to do today? Again something very interesting. So last time I'm sure you all learned how to decorate the salad and you were able to help your mothers some other time. I'm sure she allowed you. Okay, so now today we are going to be decorating a old box, any old box, and how to make it beautiful for you to use it for yourself or to give it as a gift to anybody. Okay, so what you need is just a old box. It could be a mobile box, it could be a small mithai box, or it could be just any old box of anything, and some papers and some Fevi-stick. Just these three things we need. So let's start. So students, let's get to the work. Okay, so as I said, we will be decorating a box, a old box. Can you see? It's a old box. Now you want to use this into something, or you want to give some gift into this something. So naturally you cannot do a mobile box, right? Or no? So what we will do is we will decorate this box with the paper. Now we will decorate it with collage work, right? I'm sure you all know what is collage work. Okay, so you all will be learning collage work and decorating this box with it. So how to do the collage work is, you have to just tear small papers and you have to stick it, okay, all over different colors. So we will do that. How to stick it is with a Fevi-stick. All you do is you just put little Fevi-stick. We do not need the niche ka, right? We only have to decorate the cover. So what you have to do is take Fevi-stick, tear little paper and start sticking it ekdam corners. Yeah. Now I have stuck red. Now I can take another color. So keep the Fevi-stick open like this. Tear small papers and go on sticking it like this. Okay. I can take again a red. Then I have a blue color, so I can put blue color. Now this will become very big, so I'll take little smaller. Students, I have bought a plate. Okay, why have I bought a plate? So that I can tear and I can keep very small pieces. Before I even touch the Fevi-stick, I should tear this and stick it, because the Fevi-stick has come into the hand, you will not be able to work properly. So first, do small pieces. Switch off the fan. I'm sure you all can come to know that the fan sound has gone away now. That means I have switched off the fan. So go on tearing small pieces, and don't tear the full paper together. Okay, one color, few pieces, you keep it separately. And it is not necessary to take a box of mobile only. You can take any box like that, students. It can be a mithai box, it can be any other, let's say so many things mummy gets from online now, from Amazon and all. Let's say some boxes come from there, or just anywhere. Okay, Now these are my pink one. I'll tear some orange ones also. This paper you all have in your art and craft folder. So you can take out from there only. Okay, so much is at least is there. So now what I will do is, now I will put little Fevicol below here and I will finish it off. Okay, little bit. However you all can do, children, you all can do. It's not that you have to do it this way only and that way only. Just remember not to cut these papers with a scissor. Don't tell mommy to cut it. Do it yourself. And when you all are doing it, I'm telling you, you all will really enjoy it. Slowly and slowly, no need to hurry up. How many ever colors you all want to use? 2, 3, minimum 2 colors you all should use, okay? You all want to use 3, better. 4 also will do. So what I'm doing is, I'm again putting little Fevistick. Fevistick also you all have, I'm sure. So nothing from outside is needed. Go on seeing which color is missing that side, so you can put it over there. Okay. So I need to put a blue this side, and in between I can put a pink only. Okay, so this way go on doing little and you will cover the whole cover of the box, and the next time I will show you what more to do. Okay, we will continue this even next class. So what you're going to do is take any box, any old box, tear some paper and do what work? Collage work. This is called collage work. see students, already I finished half like this, okay? So you all are going to finish like this one part of the whole box with collage work. All this here, don't do anything. We will do something else over there, okay? So this you just finish the collage work on the top and keep for this class. Okay, so enjoy doing the activity. Thank you. Bye-bye.